Wow, our products coming. Okay, so the next question will be the highlights of EVONIK's appearance at PCHI this time around. So, yeah. Okay.
So the question is, what are the highlights of our at this show? So basically, we would like to showcase the broadened solutions at the PCHI 2023 to drive the sustainable beauty, which could be demonstrated in 3 parts. So number one, the new launch of 3 renewably sourced products with outstanding sustainability properties, benefits, and the proven functionality outcomes to support the local industry upgrade. So the second part is the sustainable beauty concept and the sample toolkit. And the third part is the holistic formulation solutions targeting the most relevant market segment, namely the dry wrinkle skin, sensitive skin, damaged hair, oily scalp, etc. So welcome to check it out at our booth. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for a good answer, and welcome to the PCHI and our ECHEMIX interview. So, based on your question, we know that it will be a very, very good appearance from EVONIK this time. So what are the hot products that EVONIK is promoting this time? So I see so many hot products this time. So could you please give us a general description for each one?
Sure. So there are 3 new products that we launched at the PCHI this time. So there are 2 new products are serving the hair care and the skincare market, the formulation upgrade. So for hair care, we launched a new, it's the formulation actually. So for hair care, we launched a new S-Quad product, which is called Very Soft EQ90. So this is actually the formulation made by Very Soft EQ90. So the product is with a high hair conditioning property, readily biodegradable, and low aquatic toxicity comparing with the conventional currently dominant OQ-Quad products, and with very competitive price. So for skincare, to fulfill the efficacy-driven market needs, we offer a ceramide blend. Those are the products made by the ceramide. So the product is called Revasam Cera Boost. So which is a biotechnological and naturally derived encapsulation system. So by delivering the sphingolipids and the ceramide through the skin barrier into the deeper epidermis, it can boost the skin's own ceramide synthesis and replenish the skin lipids from within, accelerate the skin barrier regeneration, and inclusion, supporting the healthy and ageless skin by the enhanced ceramide production and diversity. So those are the 2 products for personal care market, while the third product is also very important. I will invite my colleague Tony to introduce it to you.
Yeah, thank you, Lisa. So good morning, everyone, and good afternoon, everyone. So this is Tony Du from EVONIK Systems Cleaning Solutions, taking care of the APAC North region. So as Lisa mentioned, the third product comes from our cleaning solutions. It's called Rewaform RL100. It's one of the biosurfactant we are trying to promote in our China and the global market. So Rewaform RL100 is a 100% plant-based product, use microbial fermentation technology and zero carbon print, and also very sustainable and environmental friendly to our human beings. And as you may know that EVONIK invest over 3 million in our Slovakia plant, which will produce our biospectant Revoform 100, our rhodolipid. This would be the very first plant can commercially produce rhodolipid in a large scale. So by introduce this product into the market, it means we enter the new era for the cleaning solutions for our customers, including home care, industrial, institutional, and also the car care. So that will be the product here, and this is the sample for our finished good using our biosurfactant technology. Thank you.
Thank you so much, especially thank EVONIK bringing us so many good products this time, not only like for skincare and also but also for hair care, oil, so many products. So for the next question is some like host product named Rare-Some Cereboost. So Rare-Some Cereboost is a biotechnology based and natural source active matter conduction system. Then what are its main advantages and application scenarios as a product?
Yeah. So as you know, in general, the encapsulating actives can bring various benefits. And for Rare-Some Cereboost, the encapsulation of ceramide NP, phytosphingosine, and vegetable-derived cholesterol, there are 3 major benefits. Oh, there, those 2. No, that's from another product. Yeah. No. Just these 2. Yeah. So as I mentioned, there are 3 major benefits by using this encapsulated ceramide product. So the first is the enhanced skin penetration and better bioavailability. So the liposome technology, the delivery system technology, actually enhance the skin penetration and prevent the recrystallization of the actives, which help the active to stay solubilized and penetrate deeper into the skin. Therefore, leading to the second benefit, it can induce or boost the skin's own ceramide synthesis and replenish the skin barrier lipids pool from internal. So the third benefit is the formulation advantages. Actually, the formulation advantages is quite obvious. So the 3 encapsulated actives are highly hydrophobic, tend to recrystallization, and are difficult to formulate in high concentration in water-based formulations. While the Rare-Some Cereboost, this product is easy to be used in water. Therefore, it can be incorporated in water formulation at room temperature, typically towards the end of the formulation process. So as shown here, it could be very suitable for making those low viscous, clear appearance, high concentrate active serum, and also the oil in water emulsion, as well as other hydrogel, cream gel, tonic, spray, and more. So basically, it's the perfect boost to all aqueous skincare products. Yeah, has a wild user scenario. Yeah.
Thank you for your detailed introduction and the description of the main products. So let's jump to another house product is Versoft EQ90. So it offers easy formulations, bright performance, strong skin feel, and multi-dimensional advantages, especially in the source process and the treatment of suitable concepts. Could you give a deeper explanation of this sustainable development concept?
Okay, so the product is called Versoft EQ90, and the product is designed for the lowest environmental impact and highest performance. So I think I can explain more through the different stages during the product life cycle. So as the product itself is 100% active matter, so free of tropical oil, free of any solvent. So not classified as a hazardous substance in transportation. And when you're formulating and using this product, the hair feels smooth, soft, and detangled, already efficient at a relatively low concentration. So the product is in the liquid format, cold processable, therefore can help to save the energy during the manufacturing of the finished products. And you can imagine in the end, once they are rinsed off and go down the drain, they have much less damage to the aquatic environment when compared to the conventional OQ-Quat product. So due to the double degradation process, readily biodegradable and chemical degradation to the non-aquatic components. So actually our lab, we have prepared a comprehensive range of sustainable hair care products by using very soft EQ90 as shown here. So it could be used, actually it's mainly used in hair conditioner and hair mask as the cationic emulsifier and conditioning agent 2-in-1. And this product could also be used in shampoo, especially those kind of silicone free clear shampoo. This one is based on SLES, cost-effective base, and this one is based on the luxury amino acid surfactant base. So you see both can obtain the clear appearance and the improved conditioning benefit, especially during the wet hair stage. So I think this is this product is actually representing the future direction of a quat conditioning agent, the small molecular quat conditioning agent used in hair care. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for bringing us so many good products. So if we could produce so many good products, of course, we had some difficulties during the research and development practices. So what technical difficulties did EVONIK incur in its previous research and development practices, and how did EVONIK solve them?
That's a very good question. So maybe I can use the biosurfactant RANS1 produced by RANS glycolipids platform as an example to elaborate more. So this product RANS1 is recognized as the gentle revolution, a new breakthrough in nature cleansing. So it's powerfully effective, yet gentle on the skin, gentle to the environment, which is produced by the microorganisms in a fermentation process based solely on sugar. So as you can imagine, they are without use of tropical oil, without the traditional chemical synthesis route. So although the lipids, the glycolipids used in RANS has been known for decades, the attempts to produce this nature identical cleansing agent in commercial quantity had failed in the past. So EVONIK has succeeded in doing this by close teamwork collaboration with around 10 years efforts. So our previous team is responsible for developing and optimizing the bacterial strain. So over the past many years, more than 500 generations of the strain were tested and finally transferred into a harmless, easily manageable, and highly efficient production organism. So then our biotechnology team for scaling up the fermentation process from laboratory to industrial level. So during this process, the bubbles, the foam that was generated in a large scale fermentation was a real challenge. So we finally solved this problem by using a customized deforming agent. And then our bioprocess engineers responsible for developing the purification process, and then the interfacial science group, as well as applied innovation lab for characterizing the product's property and developing the guideline formulations for personal care field. So you see various units at EVONIK has directed their attention to the class of glycolipids, and many kinds of know-how come together to bring this product into the realization and commercial success. Yeah, that's the example.
Thank you so much for a good answer. And we can know that just because EVONIK could solve all those difficulties, so even though it's a very tough work, but still, very fortunately that EVONIK after solve all the difficulties and bring us better and harmless products. So what do these product or technological breakthroughs mean for EVONIK or the whole industry? And what are your guesses and expectations for future products or technology development in the industry?
Okay, that's the big one. I think that the increasing consumer demands for nature and mild formulations without compromising the performance remains a key challenge for cosmetic formulators. So following last question, a new breakthrough in the biotechnology and the fermentation technology now enables the commercial production of a nature identical cleansing agent glycolipids entirely from sugar, which means the microorganisms only need sugar to produce the product that we want. So I think that's representing a sustainable stage. Actually, one sustainable step towards the cosmetic ingredient industry. So by combining the mild, efficient cleansing and the high foaming property with the unprecedented environmental compatibility together, actually the rounds one, the rounds glycolipids, the EVONIK novel biosurfactant platform opens up a new dimension of developing the nature cosmetics. So with that, I think a new era in nature cleansing is coming. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. To be honest, there is one question from our audience. So do you have some natural products or ingredients to recommend?
Yeah, that's actually a lot. We have a rich, broad portfolio to offer the nature and nature-derived products and ingredients. Actually, we have, maybe I can further elaborate in 4 groups. So for hair care and cleansing, as I mentioned, we have the biosurfactant, which is based solely on the fermentation. So the structure is nature identical. And also very soft EQ90, as I highlighted in this show, is the based on the renewable source ingredient and readily biodegradable, much lower aquatic toxicity comparing with the currently dominant ocul-quad product in this application. So that's for hair care and cleansing. While for skin care, we have a wide range, actually a full spectrum of the nature-based polyglycerol ester emulsifiers and emollient based on the enzyme process. So, and for the active group, actually, as we highlighted today, we offer a ceramide encapsulated delivery system of ceramide. So this product, the nature origin index is as high as 99%. So also the nature active. And for product protection, the preserve we have alternative nature-derived preservatives, as well as the antioxidant and nature chelating agent. All are the nature ingredient. So basically, we hope that we can provide the industry, our customers, the nature, mild, highly effective ingredient without compromising the performance. Yeah, that's our goal in now and in the future. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your good answer. And that any of our audience have any other question wanna give to us? Okay, so let's wait for 1 minute, and if any audience have questions. Okay, so let's say, can you talk about the impact of MMMB on global warming?
Sorry, what's the meaning of MMMB? I'm not familiar with this concept.
Can you talk about the impact of MMB on global warming? Okay, so I'm so sorry that we need people to explain what is MMMB. Okay, so it's Tegosoft MMMB. Can you talk about the impact of MMB on global warming?
Tegosoft is the emollient based on the enzyme process, as I just mentioned. So this one can reduce the energy during the manufacturing. No need to use the high temperature as the chemical process before. So that's why I think that basically can save the energy during the manufacturing, therefore reduce the global warming effect.
So do you guys have any other questions? Okay, so do you have anything else you wanna tell us about products, about EVONIK, and also could about like concepts, ideals, curses, or expectations, structures, constructions, everything?
Okay. So thanks for the interview. Thanks for the time. And I think I can use this opportunity to share a little bit about our transformation, role transformation. Actually, we are acting in promoting more system solutions. That not only the ingredient supplier, but also the holistic formulation system solutions provider with the not only formulation, but also efficacy test, demonstration, etc. So as example, in our booth, we have prepared many formulation concepts targeting the dry wrinkle skin, sensitive, anti-sensitive skin, the damaged hair care, scalp care, etc. So if have the opportunity, maybe we can visit our booth to share more the formulation concept. Yeah.
Okay, so there is one more question is about what's the next development focus in the future?
Yeah, thanks for the question. That's actually a very good question. At the strategic level question, I think, as I said, EVONIK is aiming to go far beyond chemistry to create more sustainable, innovative, and customer-centric system solutions, which means we are aiming to provide more not only green nature ingredient, but also the formulations, the solutions, to the industry.
Okay, so the next question is, what are the prospects for the development of oil in water technology?
I think for oil in water, we mainly provide the emulsifiers that are used for oil in water emulsion system, and currently we are developing more oil in water emulsifiers based on the green science, based on the polyglycerol ester platforms. Yeah, so we will continuously devoting our efforts to prepare polyglycerol ester based emulsifiers for oil in water systems.
So as you just said that, so we invited and we welcome all the like visitors and audience and consumers come to EVONIK's booth to check all the good products and to have the experience of each product, because EVONIK really could give all the world the very good products. And to be honest, talking about this, we know that EVONIK is a worldwide brand. So do you have any other like structures or the plans for how to make the EVONIK become more famous over the world? Like, or like have more like a brand awareness or what?
Brand awareness, I think our marketing team may be in a very good position to answer this question. So for me, I think we are, as I said, we are trying to provide more holistic system solutions to the industry, to selling services to the industry. So maybe in the near future, we will have our segment to selling the service to help our customers quickly get to the market, to answer the market trend and provide the holistic solutions. Yeah.
Okay. So thank you so much. And we, based on so many questions, we could tell that so many people have interest in EVONIK.
Yeah. Thanks.
So to be honest, I think there would be some more interest not only in the products but also in the about how EVONIK become like a very responsible company over the world. And just as what you just said, like about the structure, how to become the worldwide a good company is something about marketing. But to be honest, I think good product is a slogan for the it's a slogan of the brand. So if we have like a good brand like EVONIK, so we can know that wow, it's something very good. So if I want to buy it, of course I would search EVONIK. And especially I am the editor, to be honest. So many times when I editing the articles, so I need to refer to some of the EVONIK's database, because it will be a very good data to like show up all the like industries appearance among this period. So do any of our audience have any other questions?
So yes, I think you also remind me that if you have interest in EVONIK's product portfolio, you can also check our website called Into Beauty. Yeah, just register it, and you can get all the newly developed concept system solutions to hopefully fulfill your needs. Yeah, Into Beauty website. Yeah.
Okay, so and also you remind me too. So this is a live tour. So if you have interest in EVONIK, you can not only go to the booth by yourself, but you could also just search EVONIK's website or homepage, right? And register it, and you will get all the new information about the products and even EVONIK's companies and the industry's news from the web page. So do any of the audience still have questions? Okay, so thank you so much for your time, and thank you guys for watching today. And it's such a good pleasant to welcome EVONIK as an interviewer to do this. So thank you all of you guys.
Thank you. Bye bye.